So hello guys, this is MuscledRider and welcome back to the channel once again. So it's time for the second service. I have almost completed 1 year and I have some glitches on my bike. Mostly those are electronic glitches. The first one is this. Let me take my bike out of the parking lot and then let's talk. Okay, so first glitch is this one. Look, I have turned my key on and the bike won't start. I mean the instrument cluster and the electronics won't start. So eventually it will start and it does not give this problem every time, but I still feel this is kind of very irritating. Look, it started, and then when I start riding my motorcycle, the ABS and traction control light won't go away. So this again won't happen all the time, but even if it's happening one time, then it's an electronic error and electronic glitch. I have to get it fixed. So yeah, let's hit the Thane service station and let's get all the problems fixed and get the second service done. Oh, I have not ridden the bike much in last 1 year. Like it's almost 5,500 kilometers approximately due to some of my family issues, and then I got into more responsibilities, and then the bike riding went to very minimal, but I still make videos whenever I get the time.
तू जिंदा है?
How is the bike performing? Yeah, so mechanically bike is performing absolutely great. It's returning me a crazy fuel economy. I have made a vlog on the fuel economy. If you want to check this is the vlog. So the bike is performing well and I don't have any complaints, touch wood, as of now about the performance or about the any mechanical factor. But there are glitches, there are electronic glitches on the bike. So one of the glitches which I talked about was the instrument cluster. I mean I always have to turn on the ignition 2-3 times and then it gives the electronic supply. I'm not sure what is the fault in that. It might be the key fob, it might be some current flowing from the battery to the electronics or anything, and I think this is a major one because if you are stuck in somewhere in the middle of the road, I mean I know it starts after 2-3 toggles, but what if it doesn't start? Yeah, and if there are no electronic supplies, I can't even push start the bike. So that's a big issue. And the next issue is the traction control light and the ABS light which you see on the dash right now. It never goes off. I mean it sometimes goes off when I start riding, but majority of the time recently it's not going off, and that's also I think a major issue, because I'm not sure if the ABS is active right now or the traction control is active right now or not. I mean I don't need traction control on this bike, especially because I have the control over my wrist and my throttle inputs. But yeah, in the panic braking situation I would definitely need the ABS to back me up. In this case I don't know if it's working or not, so that's the one major part I want to get it fixed. Apart from that, touch wood, there are no rusting issues, there is nothing, no mechanical issues as of now. So yeah, let's get to the service center and talk to the engineers and let's see what's the solution for that. Okay, so finally we have reached the service center. The appointment time was approximately 9:30 and it's around 9:45. Yeah, on time. Are they open? Yeah, they are open. मध्ये राहून दे, आतमध्ये टाकू. सेकंड सर्विस है. उसमें ना थोड़ा मेरे को क्वेश्चंस है वो ना थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ग्लिचेस है. अभी ये बंद किया ना तो हर टाइम नहीं होता है, बट वो कभी कभी ना, ये देखो फर्स्ट इसमें इग्निशन मतलब
मॉइस्चर रहेगा,
आता नहीं है, और ABS और ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल का लाइट ना कभी जाता नहीं है. मतलब कभी कभी रहता है, कभी कभी निकल जाता है जैसे ही चलाने चालू करता हो ना. बट अभी बहुत टाइम से ना मोस्टली वो नहीं जा रहा है. तो वो बाकी मैकेनिकल कुछ इशू नहीं है, मस्त चल रहा है.
Hours later.
So we have left now, and the first service is done. It costed me around 2,100 rupees, 2,200 rupees approximately. So in that the engine oil is changed, the oil filter is changed, air filter cleaning is done, brake pads were not worn off, so no replacement done for the brake pads. I came at around 9:30 AM in the morning, Saturday, and it's now 1:40, around 1:40. The clock is showing some weird time now. I will have to set it. So I will share the invoice on the screen once I get it, because they don't share the paper invoice anymore, I guess. The payment was done for the consumables. The labor was free since it was second service, and I had done it within 1 year, and the bike is not running much. 5,500 kilometers, that's it. And now the next service will be at around next 16,000 kilometers as per they say, but usually I consider it at around 10,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever is earlier. There was not much in this video. All the issues of the motorcycle which I was facing is solved. ये बग चालूच नहीं होते.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, मैं बोला है ना, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
Yeah, thank you all for watching the video. Hope you like this video, hope you found this video useful, and if you are interested in more such videos, then tune into my channel for more Speed 400 content. I will meet you guys in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.